everyone, I'm going to walk you through how to get set up with the Weebly account for you as the teacher, how to get logged in, and then what you can do in the teacher account. And then I'm going to show you the steps that the students are going to do to get logged into the student account. So first and foremost, if you don't have a Weebly account set up, you will need to set one up, and I would recommend using your email that we've been contacting each other back and forth with throughout emails to set up your Weebly account. And Weebly has Weebly for Education or just Weebly. Either one works. I like to use Weebly for Education because if you want to use this any other time in the year, or the next year, you can set up student accounts. And you'll see that's kind of how I set it up with the students, getting student accounts set up for them within their groups. So after I have my Weebly set up, I'm going to log in. So let me do that. And once I get logged in, down at the bottom, you will notice it will say sites I contribute to, and on Thursday I shared the Night Discussions website I created with you, so you should see it down here or somewhere within your My Site setting in your account that you set up with Weebly. So when I'm ready to go in as the teacher and look and see and edit and add groups or get rid of groups or add in more detailed description, under Night Discussions I'm going to click on Edit. When I click on Edit, this is the editing feature of the website. So this is our home page that I created, and I just put in Night Discussions. You're welcome to change this. You can just click anywhere here and change the title. If you want to put a description for the students, you can. When the kids click on this arrow, it takes them into their groups, and so what I've done is I've set up links to get them into their group pages. If you want to get rid of any of these, you can just click on the X, or if you want to rename them, you just double click on the button and button text, and you can change the title if you'd like. If you want to bring in more features, if I want to bring in more buttons, over here on the left side, this is your toolbar, and you can drag and drop these tiles onto your page, and you can create more text. So here's another button. Maybe I want to add in a title within my page. Bring in text. And as I'm bringing in these different features, I can just go ahead and edit right then and there. And you can change the font by making it bold, italicized, larger, smaller, changing the color, adding in links, where the text is aligned within the pages. Once you're done working on this, you can add in more pages. So maybe if this is your home page that the students are going to get to, maybe you want to add in more pages. So we can click on Pages and add in pages. And you could add in a standard page and have like detail or description. And notice over here on the far right, it added in this new page. So if that's something you want to do, it's there. It's a feature. You can change the theme around if you'd like. Here's within the settings. This is the settings. So you'll notice here, when I click on my editors within the settings, it has all of you in here with your invitations. So and like I said, I set it up with the emails that we've been communicating back and forth with. So just wanted to show you that. When I'm done building and creating or changing things around, when I'm ready for my students to see the changes, I'm going to click on Publish. And this is like almost, this is for your audience to see what you've added. And when you're ready for them to view it, you're going to provide the students this site address right here. And when you provide them this site address, when they go to it, it's going to take them to the class discussions page. And then they can click and see other group members' discussions by clicking on the group. So I could click on Night Group 4. And the password should be Night 1. And all the groups have the same password to get into their page. You can edit it so that each group has a different password, but I've set it up generic, the same for everyone. And so like this is going to be group 4's discussion page. They can add in their discussions, they can add in images, they can add in all these different features of what group 4 is going to have within this page right here. So that's how the students are going to get into, or that's how anybody who goes to this site to get into the group pages, the password's going to be night 1 there. Let me know if you still can't get into that, and I can change that and look some more into it. Hopefully it'll work once you get your account set up, so you can have that. But just keep me posted, let me know, email me, or whatnot. So now, that's the teacher side of working with the overall general Weebly page. If I go into my account here, I'm going to show you what I've set up here for the students. So under my teacher Weebly for Education, there's here my students. And what I've done is I've set up the groups based on like what I'm calling student accounts. So I've set up 6 student accounts, 1 account for each group. And so what the students are going to do to get into their account is you as the teacher, you're going to provide them a login, the student login, which is, let me log out here. You'll send them this link, the students.weebly.com. It's going to be login. So when I'm ready as a student to log in, I'll click on login, and then what you're going to do is type in the student's username account. And so I sent you that email on Thursday of their username and password. So let me log in as like night 4 again here. So I'll type in night_4. Their password is night 1. And everybody in group 4 is going to log in this way. So then I click login. Let me try it one more time here. I think maybe this is what we were running into. Try it one more time. It did work for me, night 1 for the password, so try it and see. Keep me posted on that. But this is what group 4 is going to see. And when the group is ready to go in and work on their site, we'll click on Edit Site. And then it's going to take them into their group page. And their group page is going to look very similar to the teacher page, but this is where the group 4 is going to bring in like their title and their text, and maybe they want to bring in a photo gallery or slideshows, or maybe they want to bring in links or whatnot. And then this is where they can build in their content for their group. And maybe if you want, you can have them, when they're typing, have them put in their name and then their description, and so on and so forth. So, and then when that particular member of the group is done working on that page, they would just click publish so the rest of the group members can see what they've worked on. And then you as the teacher, when you go to the teacher page, you'll be able to see what group 4 has done by clicking on that group 4 button. So this walks you through it. I hope this is helpful. I'll sit down with Amanda too and show her this as well, and then just keep me posted if you need anything and anything I can do to help.